Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'll take you on a quick walking tour through Macau, where we explored some of the city's most iconic landmarks without diving into any specific activities. So, our adventure began when we arrived at Taipa Terminal via ferry. From there, we set off along the Cotai Strip, making our first stop at the Grand Lisboa Palace. We continued our walk to nearby attractions, the Londoner, the Parisian, and the Venetian. These landmarks are conveniently close to one another, so it only took a few minutes to walk between them. After snapping some photos of these stunning sights, we headed to the Macau Peninsula before lunch. We arrived at Hotel Wynn and then continued on to Grand Lisboa Macau, which by the way is different from the Grand Lisboa Palace. After that, we took a leisurely walk and eventually stopped at a local restaurant for a delicious lunch. Just a side note, the prices for eating out in both Macau and Hong Kong are pretty similar to those in Manila. Following lunch, we made our way to Senado Square and then walked towards the ruins of St. Paul. Unfortunately, we got a little lost and ended up at the Macau Museum, which is located just a short walk above the ruins. Exploring both the Macau Museum and the ruins of St. Paul, we did a bit of souvenir shopping, picking up some iconic Macau tarts and other local delicacies. Feeling a bit hungry, we took a break at a pudding cafe where we ordered some tapioca and pudding. As we made our way back home that evening, we were treated to an amazing night view of the Grand Lisboa. Our trip was short and sweet, but it was definitely worth it. Walking around Macau can be exhausting, but trust me, it's worth every step. And that ends my vlog. See you in the next one.